What's going on, crime fighters? It's the night, and it's time to unite for the bloodiest Nerf war ever. This is brought to us by the artists of the odd. They make some pretty dope shit. They did The Silent Hills, The Walking Dead with my man PG, Physical Gamers. And now they bring us this. So, let us see what they doing. I used to love playing with Nerf guns as a kid. I had a little pistol one. I used to do that. I used to use that to make my little homemade movies and shit. But anyway, guys, let's get into the reaction. All right, y'all, let's go.
Nerf. New from Nerf, the N-Strike Recon
It's Nerf for
CS6,
nothing.
the blaster you can customize for any mission. For multi-target missions, the 6-dart quick-fire clip gives you extra firepower. And for long-range missions,
Looks like
flip up the
legit
sight to nail your target.
Nerf. Oh shit! Why the brother gotta go first?
Kill the younglings.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck!
Those squibs on point though. Oh my god. This is children brutality. But I love it. Oh my god. Oh. He's still rocking though. Get your... I thought he shot him in the dick. He did shoot him in the dick. It was supposed to be the dick. She's still alive, yo. These kids. Oh my goodness. I was just about to say, she's speaking X-23 shit. Oh my. Oh.
Who the fuck's that guy?
Bloody indeed.
Yeah. Oh, this Nerf is making me cold.
Yeah, we fucked everybody up.
You still fighting without a dick? Oh, those kids are champ, bro. Oh my god. You supposed to run him over? Or jog by?
Hey, look out for that car.
Or run him over. How is he clean again? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Nice. Oh shit. Nice. I want to make videos like this, man. Well, this is the straight ballers. They're getting fucking... They're badass. They're getting shot up and they're walking it off.
Fuck! That escalated quickly.
Yeah, a little bit.
I think it's time to go home, guys. I shot so many of those little kids. I know you did. It's so fun. I fucking hit one with a car. You did.
They have a lot of squibs. That was good.
No, but I got shot in the dick. What the shit?
Oh.
We forgot about Kyle.
Oh.
You
Looks like we got ourselves a good old Mexican standoff.
Forgot about you, you greasy bastard. Greasy.
Oop. Sliding down the steps.
Fuck you!
I wonder how long it takes to clean all this shit up. Oh. Ooh. What song is that from? Or what movie is that from? What movie is that song from, or show? Oh. Nothing like good old drywall.
Frank! Frank! Come here, boy! Frank!
I'm gonna get that dog fucked up. What's PewDiePie's dog? Not Edgar, the other one. Get the clip, man, go with it. Yes. It has to be a bitch to clean, bro. Fuck you pull that from? Transformers? Yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Oh my god.
No! Yo, dude. Put the pug down. You call me
Put
useless.
the bunny
What
back
kind of
in the
shit
box.
is that? I'm fucking useless! Yeah, I know. You're not useless all the time. But you need to put Frank down now. How useless would you be without your fucking dog? No!
It was bound to happen.
It was an accident! The Nerf gun
Casualties of
was
war.
man. I didn't mean to, I swear!
Oh shit. What's he doing with that peanut butter?
No. Nothing.
It's gonna blow him up?
Try strike. No!
God, they're fucking up their house. This fucker still alive? Overkilling that fucker. There's a wine collection up there, bruh.
I swear it wasn't me. I did not do it. You need to calm down and just chill the fuck out, alright, bud? You know what? I never liked Frank anyway. Fuck.
Oh. Oh. That didn't feel good, I'm sure. Yo, they are out up and down. He's what the heck? Double tap? Well, that's like a quadruple billion tap for them. They're all like red from Pineapple Express. Gears of War? The song.
I don't even know what useless means. Sometimes brothers fight, but the real fight lies across the ocean where those kangaroo fucking cunts live.
Oh.
We're coming for you, Ronald.
Artists of the yard, huh? Go fuck yourself.
Hey! Wait a minute. So does that mean we are about to see some crossovers? Well guys, that was awesome and fucking bloody like it said, and I loved every second of it. I want to make videos like this. It always inspires me, always motivates me, so maybe one day. But honestly, y'all, that is awesome. I guess we're gonna get a pairing between you guys and the Rocka Rocka, and I will be sitting here reacting to that. This video was awesome, guys. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Check out my new skit, guys. Just released it today. I'm gonna leave the description in the description box for you guys to go check that out and give that video a thumbs up along with this video. Join me on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Show Artists of the Odds some love because they're straight killing it. Oh, why did I even talk like that? I said that. I don't know why it just came out of me. It's the night, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.